Maths is fun. Why? Because it helps us solve everyday life problems. So we know that if we have learned addition and subtraction, we can solve several everyday life problems using them. So we have already learned that there are many names for addition, like altogether, in all, total, put together, plus, sum of, and many other names. And whenever we get such names in any of the word problem, it means that we are supposed to add or we are supposed to perform addition. So, any word like this, which means putting together things, implies that we need to add. Let us look at one such word problem. It says, an ice cream shop sold 45 strawberry ice creams and 37 chocolate ice creams. How many ice creams did the shop sell altogether? Now, here is this ice cream shop which sells 45 strawberry ice creams and 37 chocolate ice creams. Now, at the end of the day, the shopkeeper wants to know how many ice creams has he sold today. So, what will he do? Look at this word, altogether. So, what does altogether mean? Altogether means putting the strawberry ice creams and the chocolate ice creams together. So putting together means addition. So we need to add the strawberry ice creams with the chocolate ice creams to find the number of ice creams that the shop has sold. So first we need to write what is given to us in the problem. What is given? It is given that 45 strawberry ice creams have been sold. So the number of strawberry ice creams sold is equal to 45. This is the first statement. Next, what is given? 37 chocolate ice creams. That is, the ice cream shop sold 37 chocolate ice creams. So we need to write number of chocolate ice cream sold is equal to 37. Now this is what is given to us. Next we go to what do we need to find. What do we need to find here? How many ice creams did the shop sell all together? That is combining the strawberry and the chocolate ice creams. How many ice creams has the shop sold? So the number of ice creams sold altogether. This is what is asked to us. What is this equal to? This is equal to this plus this, because look at the word altogether. So combining these two. So this is equal to number of strawberry ice cream sold plus number of chocolate ice cream sold. So we need to find the sum of these two. Now, what is the number of strawberry ice creams? 45. So this is equal to 45. And what is the number of chocolate ice cream sold? That is 37. So this is equal to 37. So 45 plus 37. Now I need to add these two. So what is 45 plus 37? 45, 37. What is 5 plus 7? 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 will go to the ones room and 1 will go to the tens room. So we need to add 1 plus 4 plus 3. What is 1 plus 4? 5. And what is 5 plus 3? 8. So this digit is 8. So the number of ice cream sold altogether is 82. And this is the answer of this word problem. So the shopkeeper or the shop has sold 82 ice creams altogether. This is how you can help the shopkeeper find how many ice creams has he sold today. Now we have another word problem. A postman delivered 32 letters on Monday and 56 letters on Tuesday. how many letters has he delivered in total? So this postman is out delivering letters. We need to find how many letters has he delivered in total. This is the keyword here, in total. What do we mean by total? Well, we mean that the number of letters delivered on Monday and the number of letters delivered on Tuesday put together or combined together. This means that we need to add these two numbers. So we start with what is given to us. It is given that the postman delivered 32 letters on Monday. So the first statement is number of letters delivered on Monday is equal to 32. Next, what is given? 56 letters on Tuesday. So the next statement will be number of letters delivered on Tuesday is 56, which is what we have here. 56 letters. So this is what is given to us. Next we go to what is the question. The question is how many letters has he delivered in total? So the number of letters delivered in total, this is what we need to answer. What will this be equal to? Can you tell me? Well, this will be equal to this plus this, that is number of letters delivered on Monday plus number of letters delivered on Tuesday. Now what is the number of letters delivered on Monday? 32. So this is 32 plus what is the number of letters delivered on Tuesday? 56. So this is 56. So I have 32 plus 56. Let's add them. 32 and 56. What is 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. And what is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is also 8. So the number of letters in total is 88. So 88 is the answer. So in total, the postman delivered 88 letters. That is, combining Monday and Tuesday, he delivered 88 letters. Let's do one more word problem. 45 men and 36 women work in an office. How many people work in the office in all? So in all is the keyword here. We need to find how many people work in the office. So in all means combining men and women which work in the office. How many people are there? That is putting together the number of men and the number of women. That is, we need to add, right? So first let us write what is given to us. It is given that 45 men work in an office. So number of men working in the office is equal to 45. Next, 36 women work in the office. So the next statement will be number of women working in the office is 36. Now, what is the question? The question is how many people work in the office in all? So, number of people working in the office in all, this is what we need to find. And what will be this? This number plus this number, that is the number of men working in the office plus the number of women working in the office. Now what is the number of men working in the office? 45. And what is the number of women? 36. So I need to add these two numbers, 45 plus 36. So 45 plus 36. 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 goes to the ones room and the tens one goes to the tens room. What is 1 plus 4? 5. And what is 5 plus 3? 8. So the sum is 81. So this is equal to 81. So this is equal to 81, and this is the answer. So the number of people working in the office in all is 81. So taking the men and the women working in the office, there are 81 people who work in the office. So this is how, not just these, we can solve many other word problems using addition. You simply need to first write the given, find out what is asked in the question, and then perform the addition carefully and correctly to get the answer. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.